in the garden. Keeper went into Chip's room and picked up the magic key. The key began to glow. "Oh, help!" said Keeper. Keeper ran outside and looked for Beef and Chip. "Help!" he called. "The key is glowing." Beef and Chip were playing with Wilf and Wilma. They were playing the sandpit. "Look at the magic key," called Keeper. Beef was cross with Keeper. "Come on, everyone," she yelled. "Run inside. Get to the magic house." It was too late. The magic began to work. The children got smaller and smaller. The children went in the grass, and everything looked big. The grass was like a jungle. "What big flowers," said Keeper. Chip saw a bumblebee. He didn't like it, and he didn't like the jungle. "Let's get out of here," he called. The children came out of the jungle. They came to a mountain. "What big mountain," said Wilf. Chip began to climb. He wanted to get to the top. "Come on," he said. "Let's climb up." The children got to the top. Keeper was hot. "I don't like climbing mountains," he said. The children looked at the sand. "It looks like a desert," said Beef. "Let's go down." "Oh no," said Keeper. "Look at the toy car," said Wilma. "Let's get inside and ride down. We can ride down to the desert." Whoosh! The car took them down the mountains. "This is fun," said Wilma. The car stopped in the sand. The children climbed out. "Oh no," said Wilf. "Look at that big cat." The children climbed inside a bottle. Keeper was frightened. "I don't like this," he said. The cat looked inside the bottle. It pushed with its paw. "Go away, cat," shouted Keeper. "Shoo!" everyone yelled. Floppy chased the cat away. The children climbed out of the bottle. "Good old Floppy," said Beef. They walked over the desert. Everyone felt hot. Everyone felt very hot. "I want a drink," said Keeper. "Look," said Wilf. "Giant strawberries." The children ran to eat them. "I love strawberries," said Chip. "So do I," said Wilf. The children ate the strawberry. They put off big lamp. Keeper licked his lip. "I like this adventure now," he said. It began to rain. "What big drops," said Wilma. "I feel sick now," said Keeper. "So do I," said Chip. The children ran to a giant flower pot. They hid under it. The key began to glow. The magic was over. "I can't see," said Chip. He had the flower pot on his head. "I like the head," said Wilma. Dad looked at his strawberries. "I don't know," he said. "There must be giant slugs round here."